Good morning. Here we are in Laguna Beach, and we will be doing a sand job here. Things have already been plastered off a little bit. We have this entire downstairs. It's not that large, but it's a very beautiful little home. This entire downstairs will be sanded down and restained a different tone, roughly a little bit more of a reddish tone. It'll include this kitchen area, and if we go around the corner, this little hallway, and in here we have a laundry room. It's a little hard to tell at this moment, but we'll be working in that area as well. Whoops, door. And also over here, this interesting little, I'm not even sure what kind of room to call it, but they're two very small beds. We have a small little trap door here, probably goes to the basement. And these stairs. We're only doing the treads. It shouldn't be too bad of a problem. Shouldn't be too bad of a job. We're just getting ready to get started. We'll be adding a sample for the homeowner around this area right here so they can see the color once we have it down so they can approve it. And once we're set with that, we're done. Shouldn't be too much of a problem.